What's up guys, it's Zeph Vlogs and he's back with another video. Today we will be watching the one and only Spider-Man Brand New Day. So I can't wait for this guys, because this is a shocking thing. We weren't going to plan to watch the Spider-Man movie, but guess what, since it came out, we're doing it for you guys. Look at this. Oh my days. Oh my days. We are about to watch the new Spider-Man film. This is crazy. This is crazy, guys. Alright, let's go. Let's go. I know we can't record in the cinemas, but we're not going. Yeah, with popcorn, please. Thank you. Yeah. I mean, I like Spider-Man. Have a look at that, guys. That's crazy. Oh, sorry, can we have some M&Ms? And there's actually popcorn inside here, so I'm trying to be careful. Yeah. I love mixing drinks. Sometimes, not all the time. Hopefully this is in the right position. All right, let's do it. Yeah. I'm going to spill the drink. Guys, they got us badges right here, yeah. The Spider-Man badges. So, without further ado, I'm going to go to the cinema and tell you how good it is. That film was epic. Can't you believe that? Spider-Man floating in the air, Hulk coming, adrenaline running and all of that stuff. Yeah, that was the best film I've ever seen in 2026. Because, I mean, if you're a Marvel fan, I think you should come here definitely, because films like that, it's right up your street. So, I'm going to say, who's it? Zeph Vlogs. It's not out. It's coming. Peace. Have you ever watched the Spider-Man film?
Yes.
How good is it?
So this one?
Yeah.
Oh no, I'm watching it now.
Oh. So what do you think it's going to be about?
Based on the trailers, I think it's going to be based on this very adventurous comic that I've read. It's very good. I've seen the trailers. Hulk looks very cool. Love the way he's coming out of his emotions, not containing himself. But I think it's going to be very good,
Yeah. So, when was it your first time watching the original Spider-Man?
The original Spider-Man was probably when I was about 5. It was one of the first Spider-Mans I watched, like Andrew Garfield and like Tobey Maguire's films. So, yeah.
So I heard that you're watching the Spider-Man movie. What do you think it's going to be?
I'm actually very excited to watch Spider-Man. I'm actually trusting people's reviews, so wish me luck.
So have you seen the original Spider-Man?
Actually, no, I haven't seen the original Spider-Man, but I kind of know what actually happens. I kind of know what happens in the movie already.
Have you seen the trailer?
No, but I know Hulk smashes there.
So are you ready for Avengers Doomsday after this?
Yeah, I am.
Oh my days. Guys, I love that film. I'll give it an A, but not like a S. I'll just give it an A. The film was good, but right now we're talking about the movie. Yeah. All right. Yeah, I have it on right now. And I forgot about this. I'm going to open the Spider-Man. All right. Let's open it. All right, guys. I opened the Spider-Man. So why not? Because this is looking epic. All right. When you have a look, It's a tiny badge. So let me open it. Let me open. But this is definitely hard because it's too small. Alright, let me. Have you even seen this too small before? Have you seen this before? Because this is too small. Alright. Anyway, to have it on. Looking nice, isn't it? Check the back, check the front. Looking nice. And last thing I have to ever say is, who's it? Zeph Vlogs with Spider-Man out. What's up, guys? It's Zeph Vlogs with another video. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button, as I said maybe a couple times in my video. Right now we're going to somewhere anonymous, so it's a 1 hour drive, and I'll talk to you soon when we get there. Alright guys, we're here in the elephant castle. There used to be like an elephant statue, but now there's not, because it was like around that middle center there. Yeah, but I have no idea why it's not. What I all know is that there used to be like an elephant statue and it got removed. So we'll talk to you soon when we get there. Alright guys, have a look at this. Oh my days, I have no idea. This is cool. Wait, I think it's a festival. I don't. This is the place. Look at the queue. And then we'll get our food. I just can't wait. That's how busy it is. Alright guys. We've got the food here. The food's already. Walking to the corner shop trying to get something. And yeah. Right now we're walking to Tesco's. I'm not sure if you're allowed to record, but maybe. Yeah. So the person said you're allowed to record in Tesco's, so yeah. What drink? I'll just have a cold drink, please.
I've not seen this before, Rubicon water.
Rubicon. I think I've seen it, so I've seen it, I think. Oh my days. This is not. Oh. I have no drink here. Let me have a look. Oh, my finger. Should I get this? Oh, don't they have the lemonade? The lemon.
I know what I want.
Strawberry and lemon. Always take from the back, guys, you know. Oh, I just don't snap my fingers. There. Alright, let's go. Krispy Kreme. Looks like everyone took the Krispy. I mean, original is the best one to have. Yeah. If you don't like original, then I don't know what to say. Oh yeah, there's original. That's looking fresh and nice. Right, we're paying for our order. Let me put my glasses on. Thank you. Thank you. That's good.
Oh, may I have a bag here as well?
Oh, I'm thirsty, you know. People who are watching this at night time, yeah. Try to get yourself a drink. Thank you for letting me record here.
I'm welcome. Feel more.
Thank you. Alright guys, I just saw a homeless man on the street and I feel bad for him because, you know, these days people have hard times. You know, they don't get to afford any money, they don't get to have all of those good things which we have. So we have to be grateful and be kind to the others who don't have enough money. So this is all what the world is about. So all I have to say is, who's it? Zeph Vlogs out. Peace.
Zep on the cam, whole block get loud. Stepping through crate and he's moving with the crowd. Boots run with the sun, mission in the rain. Every vlog drop hits hard like a train. Zep Vlogs, big vibes when he enters. Whole day flips, he's the main character. Center cornrows clean, energy never lost. Hit that record button, now the world gets bust. From churro prawns to Morley's nice. He captures real life, no filters, no hide. Wake up, Zep got a plan for the day. Camera in hand, whole squad on display. Jade and wildin', Nan cooking in the back. Every clip hits like a UK track.